For this instructional video, we are going to teach you how to do proper shoulder shrugs. Shrugs are often used in the gym as an excellent exercise that targets the upper trapezius muscles. The trapezius is one of the major muscles in the upper back and is responsible for the stabilization, rotation, and movement of the shoulder blades and the neck. It is crucial that shrugs are performed properly, as there are numerous injuries that can result from improper form, such as moderate to severe neck and back pain and rotator cuff damage, which adversely affects the mobility of the arm. The critical factors involved in a proper shrug include scapular elevation, scapular retraction, slight shoulder abduction, standing upright with knees slightly bent, arms fully extended at the side, and a neutral spine, elevating the shoulders upwards and then depressing the shoulders downwards back to the starting position. The flexible factors of a shrug would be whether or not the individual uses any added weight from a dumbbell or barbell or any added resistance from a resistance band. The amounts of weight and tension can change along with the hand placement on the barbell or resistance band, and whether or not they use a slight chin tuck. The beginner performs shrugs with bad posture and in a kyphotic state. He also does not abduct his shoulders. He can improve his scapular elevation and scapular retraction to improve his shrugs. His bad posture may result in neck and back issues, since the neck should be in a neutral and stable position when doing this exercise. By teaching him how to properly retract and elevate his scapula, this will increase his shrug performance and cause him to have better posture. In this video, you can see the expert is standing upright, keeping a neutral spine and neck. You can also see his excellent scapular retraction and scapular elevation, and his slight shoulder abduction will cause him to increase muscle activation, allowing him to also have a greater range of motion, better posture, and better utilization of his trapezius muscles than the beginner. We will have the beginner perform some drills that focus on correcting two major weaknesses in his performance. First, we will work on scapular elevation. Second, we'll focus on scapular retraction. This will increase his range of motion and utilization of the traps to improve his shrug and avoid injury. This drill is for scapular elevation. To do this drill, we want the spine to be in a neutral position with arms extended and raised overhead. We then want to raise the arms and shoulder blades even higher. We can instruct our athlete to start in a Y, like for the YMCA, and then reach for the sky. This drill is used to emphasize scapular retractions with inversion and eversion. It is used to increase the strength of shoulder blade muscles and increase flexibility. To do these, the athlete needs to stand tall with good posture with palms up, elbows bent, and bring his arms laterally from the midline while squeezing his scapulas together. We want to focus on the scapular retraction so we can instruct the athlete to close the gates. After weeks of practice, our beginner is finally doing shrugs correctly. So follow these drills if you want to do shrugs like an expert and work out those traps.
I'm feeling like you're with me as my heart's pouring.